Number 2 for the volcano science experiments.
Okay, tip the bottle up. Tip it up so it's upside down.
Oh, upside down.
Up, all the way up. All the way upside down.
Up.
There we go.
And go.
Give it heaps.
Whoa. For the rocks might not make it into the correct position. Let's move some of the rocks into the middle.
It's so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Squeeze it out of.
Wait.
My hands hurt.
Can I see?
No.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah.
Move.
Oh, God, it exploded.
That was a good one.
It's coming back in.
It's just common
Squeeze.
baking soda and vinegar here. What am I putting mine?
Squeeze.
It exploded a little bit.
Yeah, just
Oh!
get vinegar and baking soda.
I'm going to stand it.
That's all you need.
It's so. It's
We're supposed to do 100 milliliters.
what? What?
If you chuck baking soda.
If we still want more, we can try the third time.
Or